The 1978 Ford Thunderbird T-Roof remains a stunning piece of American automotive history, and a remarkable find for car enthusiasts. While Ford's seventh-generation Thunderbird was already marking a golden era in the late 1970s, the introduction of the T-Roof in 1978 was a game-changing feature that made the model even more desirable. Despite its limited production numbers, the T-Roof version, specifically from the 1978 model year, continues to attract collectors and enthusiasts, all while proving itself to be a hidden gem in the automotive world. The Thunderbird's success in the late 1970s is nothing short of remarkable. By 1977, after nearly 2 decades of evolving, Ford's personal luxury car was experiencing an explosive resurgence, with sales skyrocketing by 600% compared to the previous year. In 1978, Ford achieved its pinnacle with nearly 353,000 units sold, marking the best year in Thunderbird history. While the regular model saw significant success, it was the special editions that made the 1978 Thunderbird truly unique. One standout feature from the 1978 model year was the T-Roof. This removable roof option, offering a semi-convertible experience, became the epitome of cool, even though it was short-lived. In fact, production of the T-Roof was discontinued after just 1 year due to lack of demand. As a result, only 22 known examples remain in existence today, making the 1978 Thunderbird T-Roof a rare and collectible piece of history. Interestingly, one of these rare T-Roof Thunderbirds comes with an even more intriguing backstory. It was gifted to a high school graduate in 1979 by his aunt, making this one-owner classic even more remarkable. The recipient, Rick Nowak, received the car as a graduation gift with one condition: it had to be priced under $5,000. In a stroke of luck, Rick found a dealer demonstrator model at a steep discount, purchasing it for just $4,995, well below the original MSRP. The 1978 Thunderbird came equipped with a range of luxury features, reflecting the era's automotive tastes. The model Rick purchased featured the 400 V8 engine, delivering a modest 160 horsepower and 312 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain was paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, which was standard for luxury cars at the time. In addition to the engine, the car boasted several options, including air conditioning, 8-track AM/FM radio, and the signature T-Roof feature. Despite the luxury features, the Thunderbird's performance and overall appeal were not just about horsepower. The car was built with the comfort of the driver in mind, offering a smooth ride and a spacious interior. With 158,331 miles on the clock, the Thunderbird is no longer in its original condition, but it remains an iconic piece of Ford's history. A restoration or preservation project could make this vehicle a standout in any classic car collection. What makes this Thunderbird even more intriguing is a curious detail: although the VIN identifies it as a base model with a 302 engine, the options list clearly shows it was ordered with the larger 400 V8. This discrepancy adds an element of mystery to the car's provenance, and it's likely that this particular Thunderbird was a special order or a factory anomaly. Regardless, it only adds to the car's mystique and makes it an even more desirable find for collectors. Now, as it enters its 47th year, this 1978 Ford Thunderbird T-Roof stands as a testament to an era of luxury cars that defined American automotive culture. Its rarity, coupled with its intriguing backstory and unique features, make it an exceptional collectible. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a history buff, the 1978 Thunderbird T-Roof is a vehicle that continues to captivate the hearts of many, offering a glimpse into a time when personal luxury cars ruled the road.